Hello friends, this is Dr. Hemchand Kothari from eResearch Academy. Friends, I welcome you all in my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss standard deviation, and here we will learn how to calculate the standard deviation value in individual series by direct method. Okay, so let's start. Here we are given a question in individual series and we have to calculate standard deviation, and the observation we have 4, 6, 10, 11, 5, 8 and 12. Okay, this is individual series. So let's have an answer of it. So this is the answer, and here this first column is our question as it is. We have 4, 6, 10, 11, 8, 5 and 12. These are our observation or x values. Okay, and we have to calculate the standard deviations. So while calculating standard deviation by direct method, we need actual mean, okay, rather the assumed one. So in shortcut method we need assumed one. Okay, so here we need actual mean. So for actual mean we need summation of all x values. So this is the sigma x. Okay, summation of all these values. So this gives us 56. Okay, and we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 observation. Okay, so our mean value becomes mean equal to how much? 56 upon 7 sigma x upon n, right? So this is equal to 8. So we have mean equal to 8, right? So in next step, step 2, what we need deviation from this mean. Okay, so deviation from mean. So for that we need to subtract our mean value from all these x's. Okay, so 4 minus mean value 8, this is minus 8, sorry minus 4, 6 minus 8 minus 2, 10 minus 8 2, 11 minus 8 3, 8 minus 8 0, 5 minus 8 minus 3, 12 minus 8 4. Okay, so this is small x, this is denoted by small x, means deviation from actual mean. Okay, and technically it is x minus x bar, right? So in third step what we need the square of this deviation. Okay, is x square, right? So 4 into 4 16, 2 into 2 4, 2 into 2 4, 3 into 3 9 0, 3 into 3 9, 4 into 4 16. Okay, so in next step we have to apply formula. Okay, and where we will apply this sigma x square, right? So what is our formula? Formula for calculating standard deviation is root sigma x square upon n. Okay, so sigma x square we have 58 in our last calculation, and n we have 7, right? So standard deviation becomes root 8.28, right? And it is 2.88, right? So our answer by direct method in individual series is 2.88. Okay, so this is the method to calculate standard deviation in individual series by direct method. Okay, so we have one alternative formula as well. So let's have this formula as well. So this is the alternative formula to get the standard deviation. Okay, so for this we first have to calculate variance. Okay, so the formula of variance is, it is 1 by n summation of I equal to 1 to n of all x's square minus mean square. Okay, so if we abbreviate this one, so we have variance equal to sigma x1 square plus x2 square plus x3 square plus x4 square plus x5 square plus x6 square plus x7 square. We have 7 x's. Okay, upon n minus mean square. Okay, so mean value we are also having, that is the 8. Okay, so put all values of x's in this formula. So what we get? We get summation of all x squares. So 4 square plus 6 square plus 10 square plus 11 square plus 8 square plus 5 square plus 12 square by 7 minus mean value is 8 square. Okay, so this gives us variance equal to some sigma 16 plus 36 plus 100 plus 121 plus 64 plus 25 plus 144 divided by 7 minus 8 square 64. Okay, and the summation of all these squares gives us 506, and then divide by 6 minus 64, it gives us 72.28 minus 64, that is equal to 8.28. Okay, so by this method we also get the same answer. Okay, so here we don't make any column, rather making column we apply this formula. So once the variance is calculated, we can easily find out the standard deviation by applying this formula. The standard deviation equal to square root of variance, so square root of 8.28, that is equal to 2.88 approximately. Okay, so by both of method, either you apply the first method or the alternative method, you will get the same answer. So friend, this was the method of calculating standard deviation in individual series by direct method, where we apply mean value to get the deviation, then we square this deviation and finally apply the formula of standard deviation, that is root sigma x square upon n, and we get the answer. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. If you have not subscribed this channel so far, you just please subscribe it and press the bell icon so that you can just get all the notification for the future videos. And have a nice day ahead. God bless you.